channel Coding Tamil. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வீடியோல என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா how to neglect this TLS SSL error. So before getting this error, if you already installed Python ideally or Anaconda navigator in your system, means this type of error will be shown. Okay, so see this type of error will be shown here. So I will try to neglect this error. Just I will check my internet is working, but that installation internet is not working because of that some environment variables problem. So we will just check. So in my system my Anaconda navigator is already installed, so I need to add a path of my Anaconda navigator path to this environment variable. First you go to the type and environment, this edit environment variable. In this environment variable you just click the path, and you already have this path of environment variable, but I need to add up another one. That one will be the library/bin. Okay, so see program data Anaconda 3. In this Anaconda 3 we have a library, not a lib. It is a library, whole library. So this is lib, but this is another one lib. It's already we will add up this type of paths, but we not need this lib and the small letter lib and caps letter lib. We need the library whole name. Check this one. Okay, so in this one the bin. Okay, so library bin, this is a missed one. We need to add this into a path environment variable. Just we add up